Well, looks like I have to get an oil change. Hey everybody, it's Kevin from Nighthawk Motors, and it has been quite a bit of time since I last posted up a video. Reason for that is I've been very busy with multiple things, and I just haven't really had any time to make videos and content for everybody. And it seemed like everybody really enjoyed last video I did with the new 2018 Honda Accord Sport 2-liter. So I got a lot of grip from that, and I appreciate all the new subscribers, and I hope you guys are here to stay. Yeah, don't want to have music on. But so today's video is going to be about, well, just what I basically explained, plus the issue I was having with my car about 5 months or so ago, where I was getting a noise from what I believe to be the wheel bearing, has been getting progressively worse. And now it's gotten to the point where if I put the brakes on, I feel a rumbling through the car, and it's getting pretty bad. I'm gonna have to take it back to the dealership and have somebody ride along with me and show them and let them listen to the noise. They should be able to hear it. It's pretty prominent. I'll get a little shot here for you guys and show you guys and let you hear how bad this noise is at that point. Alright, so I brought you guys to a small parking lot so we can do this safely, and also so we don't have a bunch of background noise flushing out this noise I'm trying to let you guys hear. But it's quite bad now, and I'll show you a clip of what it was originally. I took it to the dealership and they said they couldn't hear it, so I was like, alright, well, we'll let this go for a little bit, but I guarantee you it'll come back. So we'll just let you hear how bad this is. Hopefully it picks it up well with the sound. If not, I'll leave the camera on the side over here and drive past it, and then you'll really be able to hear it. Everybody could have heard that. We'll get an outside shot here with the tripod for a little bit. Well, not for a little bit. We'll get an outside shot here with the tripod so you guys can hear from the outside. And I've been getting looks actually from people on the side of the road. You can clearly tell that people are noticing this noise, and it's very loud, especially when the car warms up and you've been driving it for a while. Essentially what happens there is, metal expands when it warms up, and I think this is getting up to a really high temperature. I haven't seen any smoke or anything like that yet, but I'll put a picture up here of what I was talking about earlier with the car that had the front driver's side fender essentially catch on fire from the wheel arch. So we'll get the tripod out, mini tripod, put it on the side of the road here, and show you guys what it sounds like, or let you listen to it at least. Well, I hope everybody heard that noise, and it is pretty prominent, and it's getting on my nerves. So I'm gonna have to bring this thing in, or this car in, to the dealership and have them service that. And hopefully they don't give me a hard time, because it's clearly having an issue. And let's see how many miles I have on this thing. At 14,000 miles. I believe it's easy to say a wheel bearing should last well past 100,000, maybe 150,000 miles. So at 14,000 miles, for it to be showing this kinds of signs, or this signs of wear and things like it is now, I feel like the wheel's gonna fall off in another 14,000 miles if I was to wait. So this is gonna have to get addressed, and I hope they don't give me the runaround. But if they do, I have means and ways to get what I need to get done on the car. And we'll see what the dealership wants to do for me. Hopefully they'll take care of this for me and treat me right, since I did buy the car there. So I'll have some more videos coming out here soon after I get my schedule freed up a little bit. appreciate everybody watching and subscribing to the channel from the other videos. I'm gonna try and get some more reviews up here and maybe some more videos like this if you guys like them. So if you guys would, please like, comment, and subscribe, and have a great day. Thank you.